Good afternoon and welcome to 200 Rito Hondo Road in the beautiful town of Antonito in southern Colorado. We are just about 2 miles from the New Mexico border there, pretty much dead center in the middle of the state, as far south in Colorado as you can go. The town of Antonito is out this way about 15 miles, and right now you are sitting inside a gated community. This is really the only home here right now. There may be a few going up back here in the back, but as of right now, this is it. And you get to kind of start out and start the HOA here. This beautiful full log home is for sale, ready to go. It's brand new, has never been lived in, and it is exceptional. It's quite the treat. So let's first of all walk around the full wraparound deck, and then I'll take you inside and show you. This property sits on 40 acres. So about one of these trees here in the front is your front property line. This road to the south, out here about where the ridge is right there, that little hill. And then in this direction it goes over and touches, I believe, the side of that larger hill over there. So the whole valley down below. And then that is national forest. This entire community is surrounded by national forest. So it's gated. Only the folks that live in here can access it. And I think there's like 30 lots. They are completely surrounded by national forest. So it's a pretty special community. Out here, while we're here, I'll show you your septic tank is right here, right out there. Here's this. You can see the full D-log. Beautiful. We've got Trex style decking. And look at these. I don't think you can see it really, but these railings are just stout and overbuilt. Look at how big those are. Look at how thick they are. You just can't really get the grandeur of it. This is pretty. As far as the price per square foot value, this home is worth a lot more than it's on the market for. It's brand new and it's beautiful. I'll take you inside in a minute. Here we have some ponderosa pine trees. There's some pinyon. That one back there, that's a Jeffrey pine. Over here you have some juniper, and down below further there is some cedar. Your landscaping is just very natural. Southwestern high desert. Here's a look at the south side. I'm sorry, this is kind of the east side of the house. West side, I don't even know. I get kind of turned around up in here. This is going to be the west side of the house. All right. Here's your propane tank. There's enough space set up out here where you can put a table if you want, or some lounge chairs. There's a door here. That's going to go in between. When we get inside, I'll show you, but there's a bedroom here and a bedroom here. They're mirror images of each other. And then there's a hallway that goes down toward the kitchen that way. So this deck is full wraparound, goes around the entire house. You've got a 50-year metal roof, which is about as good as you can get here in the mountains. Metal roof has the snow just slide right off, and you don't have to really worry about it. And look at what they thought of here. The roof extends over the edge of the deck, so when the snow slides off, it's going to go down to the ground, not fall on the deck, so you don't have to shovel it off, which is really nice. Okay, there is the outside of the house. If you check the description down below, you'll find a link that will take you into my blog post on this house, and you can see construction photos. I've kind of been following it along as it's been being built. And you can see the construction photos. You can also get the covenants and kind of the restrictions for up here. You can do short-term rentals. You can bring your RV up and folks can, stay in the RV. If you wanted to pull one in over here or something like that, that's absolutely fine. There are some covenants, but they're pretty darn minor. Your well, of course, is right here. And there's an exterior spigot for you. There's a little gazebo over here that they started if you wanted to put in an outdoor kitchen or a fire pit. Okay, let's go in and see. Okay, here we are inside. And I just want to point out the views from the interior here. Out this way, we're about 10-15 minutes to the town of Antonito, which has a couple gas stations, a Dollar General, a couple really nice restaurants, a small grocery store. And then we're about an hour from the town of Alamosa, where you have a city market, a Safeway, a Walmart, a little more grocery, a little more stuff like that. And that's where Adams State College is. That's where your big hospital is. Although there is a clinic in both Antonito and La Jara. So here's a look at your great room. And I just want to take a moment to tell you how the house feels. It feels brand new. It smells brand new. Everything is clean, perfect. Just the workmanship is incredible. And it is so well done. Take a look here at the stairs. The little details, just like sanding off the edges here and making sure everything's smooth. The craftsmanship of these stairs is just amazing. Everything is tongue and groove, solid wood beams. Just look at that. Here's our kitchen. It's got beautiful granite. Got a little desk area here. These are knotty alder cabinets. We have a double stainless steel sink. You have, this is piped for propane if you want a propane stove, and your microwave goes there. Of course, he's left it so that you can order your own appliances because we're not really sure what everyone wants. So we've left them so that you can choose your own. If you don't know me already, I'm Dee. Hello, nice to meet you. Double sinks. Jetted tub. Okay, beautiful tile floors in through here. There are 2 bedrooms here off the main level. So our great room is here, kitchen's here, and then the back door is here. So here's 1 bedroom. Very good size. You can fit a king-size bed in here. Nice closets, beautiful beams. Smells like new carpet. And here's the other one. It's a mirror image. It's a good size room. And this home has radiant baseboard heat. So all of these registers around the edge, they have a hot water glycol solution running through them. And it's heated by a boiler in the basement. So I'll show you how that works when we get down there. All right, let's go upstairs. Right at the top of the stairs here, we have what could be a sleeping loft or an office. I'd say it's about 12 by 15. Look at how this beam here is notched to accommodate the beam that goes all the way through. Isn't that beautiful? This would probably be your primary bedroom. We're on the second floor. We have a bunch of neat storage down in here. It goes all the way back each direction, so that's really convenient. You have this massive walk-in closet with a chair in it. Even the closet's heated. And this wall here, if you wanted a bigger bedroom and less closet, this could be moved. This is not a support wall. Your main beam is supporting everything, so if you wanted to take some of that out, I believe you could. And then here is your ensuite bathroom. You've got a very nice shower here. It does not have a door yet. We're waiting on that. Some storage over here. More storage back in here. And then dual sinks and your toilet there. So let's get a little bit better view here with the door shut. There you go. Okay, then we will go all the way downstairs and show you the basement. Price per square foot on this house is incredible, especially for the finishes, the attention to detail that's been put into it. For the 40 acres that you're sitting on with these views, it's a really good price per square foot. Even here, the stairway to the basement, completely tongue and groove. It smells like fresh lumber. It's wonderful. So when you come down the stairs, you open up into just a little nook here. We've got a broom closet. We continue around this way. Another nook. Here's the front door going out. Here's the first of 3 rooms down here. This one is kind of set up for an office. It's about 10 by 13, I would say. Nicely painted, drywall, nice carpet. Here's our garage. 1-car garage. It is heated and there's a drain in the floor. You do have plug in there. That's where you would plug in your EV. You'd put your charger there. Or you could plug in a welder or an RV. There's the stairs that go back up. In here you have another little cubby. You could actually put the bar here. I'm going to show you the bar in a minute. If you wanted to move it out here and make one of these a bedroom, you could do that. So here's the little bar. But this would make a great window. The only thing it doesn't have is, of course, the window and closet. Did I say it would make a great window? It would make a great bedroom. If you had a window and a closet. Or as a non-conforming bedroom, it could be used as that as well. This game room is kind of what it's set up for. Maybe a pool table or a ping pong table, something like that. And then right around here is the laundry room. So this is set up very large as well. You can put your washer and dryer here, folding table, more storage, anything in here that you like. Set up for an electric dryer. Another thing you may be able to do would be to add another bathroom in here, since you've already got the plumbing and there's a drain right there. So if you wanted to put a combination laundry room bathroom here, then you could convert these two spaces down here into bedrooms and add 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. You'd need to check with the county to make sure your septic is large enough, but we believe it is. And then here's all the guts of the house. So this is going to be your domestic hot water, and run the glycol solution through the pipes. So here are your different thermostats. We've got one in the basement, one on the main floor, one in the living room, and one in the primary bedroom upstairs. So those kick on when you need heat, and it runs more hot glycol through these pipes, and then the pipes go through those registers and heat the house that way. This is your pressure tank. That brings water, that's where the water from the well comes in, and that keeps it pressurized through your house. Here's your breaker box. This is all clean and very well done. Very pretty. Okay, we will head right back upstairs, and then I will let you go. Once again, I apologize for the shaky video. I don't have my gimbal with me today. It's broken and I had to order a new one, so Amazon should come through for me in a couple days. But that gives you the idea. So again, here's the view out your window while you're washing dishes at your new home. It's 200 Rito Hondo Road, Antonito, Colorado. My name is Dee Plusinski. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number is 719-873-5605. I look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, just think about sitting here on this deck, watching the sunset, watching the sunrise actually, and just enjoying your new Colorado home. Have a great day, y'all.